Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video, we are going to discuss Kjeldahl method for the estimation of percentage of nitrogen in an organic compound. I will take you through the following points: basic principle, apparatus used, and problems based on Kjeldahl method along with their solutions. Let's start with the basic principle of Kjeldahl method. When a nitrogen containing compound is heated with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of copper sulfate as a catalyst and K2SO4 as an additive at 420 degrees centigrade, nitrogen present in compounds get converted to ammonium sulfate. The resulting mixture then heated with excess of 10 molar sodium hydroxide, due to which nitrogen is liberated as ammonia. The liberated ammonia then absorbed in known amount of a standard acid like sulfuric acid. The solution then titrated with standard sodium hydroxide solution and number of mole of ammonia is calculated. Suppose mass of organic compound is capital W gram. Normality of acid is N acid. Volume of acid is V acid. Normality of NaOH in back titration is NaOH and volume is VNaOH. Number of equivalents of ammonia generated is equal to N acid into V acid minus NaOH into VNaOH. We know that for ammonia, equivalent weight is equal to molar mass. So, number of mole of ammonia liberated is equal to number of equivalents. So, number of mole of ammonia generated is equal to N acid into V acid minus NaOH into VNaOH. Number of mole of nitrogen atom in the sample is equal to number of mole of ammonia generated. So, number of mole of nitrogen in the sample is equal to N acid into V acid minus NaOH into VNaOH. We know that mass is equal to molar mass into number of mole. So, mass of nitrogen in the sample is small w is equal to 14 into N acid into V acid minus NaOH into VNaOH. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to mass of nitrogen upon mass of sample into 100. So, percentage of nitrogen is equal to a small w upon capital W into 100. Putting the value of a small w will give percentage of nitrogen is equal to 14 into N acid into V acid minus NaOH into VNaOH upon capital W into 100. So from this equation we can calculate percentage of nitrogen in the sample. Sometime in the problem, actual volume of acid used for the neutralization of liberated ammonia is given. In that case, we can use the following formula. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to 14 into N acid into V acid actual upon capital W into 100. One thing which is to be noted here is that the volume which is considered to be in calculation is always in liter. Coming to the apparatus. The apparatus used in Kjeldahl method can be shown like as. There is a flask called Kjeldahl flask that contains compound to be analyzed, concentrated H2SO4, CuSO4 and K2SO4. This is the source for heating sample. The process of heating sample with conc H2SO4, copper sulfate and K2SO4 is called digestion. To the flask containing digested sample is added sodium hydroxide. For heating this flask, there is heating source. The mouth of flask is connected to Kjeldahl trap, which is connected to water condenser. The ammonia liberated is absorbed in known volume of standard acid. Limitations of Kjeldahl method. This method is not applicable for the compounds having nitro group, azo group and those having nitrogen in the ring. For example, pyridine, pyrimidine, quinoline, etc. This is because the nitrogen present in these compounds cannot be converted to ammonium sulfate by the conditions used in Kjeldahl method. Now we will discuss problems with solution. Question number 1. 0.50 gram of an organic compound was treated according to Kjeldahl method. The ammonia evolved was passed in 50 ml of 1 normal H2SO4. The residual acid required 60 ml of 0.5 normal NaOH solution. Calculate the percentage of nitrogen in the compound. Solution. Given that mass of sample capital W is equal to 0.50 gram, normality of H2SO4 is equal to 1. Volume of H2SO4 is equal to 50 ml is equal to 0.050 liter. Normality of NaOH is equal to 0.5. Volume of NaOH is equal to 60 ml, that will be equal to 0.060 liter. We know that percentage of nitrogen is equal to 14 into normality of acid into volume of acid minus normality of NaOH into volume of NaOH upon capital W into 100. So percentage of nitrogen is equal to 14 into 1 into 0.05 minus 0.5 into 0.060 upon 0.50 into 100 is equal to 14 into 0.05 minus 0.03 upon 0.50 into 100 is equal to 14 into 0.02 into 100 upon 0.50 is equal to 56%. Question number 2. In Kjeldahl method, for the estimation of nitrogen present in a soil sample, ammonia evolved from 0.75 gram of sample neutralized 10 ml of 1 molar H2SO4. Calculate the percentage of nitrogen in the soil sample. Solution. Given that mass of sample capital W is equal to 0.75. We know that normality of H2SO4 is equal to 2 into molarity is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Actual volume of H2SO4 used in the neutralization of ammonia is equal to 10 ml. that will be equal to 0.010 liter. We know that when actual volume of acid is used in the neutralization of ammonia is given, the percentage of nitrogen is equal to 14 into normality of acid into actual volume of acid is upon W into 100 is equal to 14 into 2 into 0.010 upon 0.75 into 100 is equal to 37.33%. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.